$4 million. That's the average cost of a cyber incident. But it doesn't have to be you that pays the bill. I'm John, Chief Insurance Officer at Vouch, talking to you today about cyber insurance. The reality of our world today is that data breaches are becoming more common and more expensive. Cyber insurance can protect you from this risk. It pays for the costs of data breaches caused by mistakes, hacking, or social engineering. If you are hit with an incident, Vouch's cyber coverage springs into action and attacks the problem on two fronts. First, we pay for a suite of remediations that can reduce the likelihood of a major claim or class action. This can include legal advice, computer forensic investigations, software remediations, and the cost of notifying impacted customers and paying for their credit monitoring services when necessary. Unfortunately, sometimes that's not enough to stop a lawsuit or regulatory action. And if that happens, cyber insurance can cover your defense costs, settlements, fines, and judgments. Vouch's cyber policies have two additional protections that are especially important for startups. The first is cyber crime coverage, including coverage related to social engineering and fraudulent funds transfer. Fraudsters often pose as a partner or employee to trick someone on your team into sharing sensitive information. This coverage can recover your losses if they breach your system and transfer money from your accounts. The second is extortion coverage, also known as ransomware. In this case, the attacker typically gains control of your system and stops you from operating your business, typically by encrypting critical data. Vouch has partnered with specialized attorneys that can efficiently manage the negotiation and pay the ransom. Cyber protection should be a serious consideration for you and your company if you gather, store, or manipulate customer data in any way, especially if the data you're working with is sensitive. We typically recommend you get cyber coverage at Series A and scale your limits as you grow. To see your recommended limits, simply click Get Coverage Recommendation and tell us a little bit about your startup. You can click through to pricing in just a few more minutes. In the event of a data breach, start by making a claim through our dedicated cyber hotline. With a cyber incident, time is critical. Our claims team will jump into immediate action. Together, we'll meet with specialized cyber attorneys, engage a forensics team if necessary, and start the process of your recovery. Vouch will be with you every step of the way. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Your insurance advisor can talk you through our cyber coverage and broader insurance offerings.